Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a professional letterhead in Microsoft Word with a logo from scratch. A well-designed letterhead is essential for business, correspondence, official, official letters, applications, invoice, proposals, and academic documents. Many users struggle with logos placement, alignment, margin, and consistency across pages. In this video, we will discover simple, accurate, and professional methods to design a clean letterhead that's looked polished and work perfectly on every page. So let's get started. Let us zoom out this document to see the whole page at once. We can see here 8 page. This is an assignment for my college. Now I want to create a letterhead. Now I create this letterhead using AI. You know that this time is AI invention. Now we go to any browser. You can go any browser. Now I am go Chrome browser, then write ChatGPT. This is a OpenAI. Now you can write the text. Please give me a journal professional letter head for my Word document with logo. My company name is Backspace and this is a YouTube channel. You can give another information. Now I press enter to get the letterhead. Wait a moment to getting the letterhead on ChatGPT. You can see here they create the letterhead. Now I copy the code and go back the word and go to the header option. Double click on the top, then paste Ctrl B on our keyboard. Now we can see here the creative YouTube channel backspace, YouTube channel name backspace, email, and YouTube channel link or the location. Now we can see we create a letterhead easily. You can furnish that, like you can increase the text size, go back the home menu and increase the text size. Then align the text on center, then go back the design menu and click close header option. Now we can see we make a letterhead easily. You can go back another and we can see here another style letterhead. You can copy this, go back again and paste the letterhead. At first delete that, then paste it. We can see this is very attractive. You can go back again and align on the middle. You can increase the font size, otherwise you can delete some. Then we can see this is look like good. Then go back the design menu and close the header and footer. We can see we create the letterhead easily using AI. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.